Yo, it's your boy Conrad. How are you guys doing today? So today we are actually doing something pretty badass. We're helping my buddy with the S14 and we're gonna go ahead and clean up his brakes. They're gonna look badass. We're gonna strip them down, powder coat them, all that jazz. Let me show you exactly what they look like. Dang, they are dirty. But yeah, so I tried to degrease them. They didn't really work out, so we're just gonna sandblast them. They're gonna go this purple right here. So like a super dark purple. I don't even know if you can see that. We did this the last video. It came out pretty good. I like the purple. It's just super dark. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and strip them all down. Make sure all ready to go. We already have all of the pistons out for everything. There's one that the slide pin doesn't come out, so he's trying to get those out just so I can get and focus on these. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dismantle them and cap out like all the things that we need. So like we need to cap off where these go and these right here. We just need to come off. We're just gonna cap them off with blue tape just to be all good to go. What else needs to be capped off? I think that right there, and that's pretty much it. Maybe the feed lines need to be capped off, but other than that, nothing really should be capped off. So let's go ahead and cap those off and then go to Tyler's house and go ahead and sandblast. Alright, so here's the parts of crap. Hopefully we can sandblast all that today, but if not, then we'll do another day. But the main thing we're going to be doing today is those calipers. We have them all good to go. Let's go ahead and let's go to Tyler's. Yo, we are in my buddy Tyler's garage. He out running. Let me show you exactly what he's been up to lately. So this is his old BMW, or I mean I guess BMW, but he's taking out his old engine because he refreshed this new one's M52. I don't know much details, but yeah, this boy's going turbo. Big boy, look at that thing. As big as my turbo. No, mine's a little bigger. Nah, but yeah, he did everything pretty much. Like, I don't know where the head is, but is it already on here? Might be on there. But yeah, he did all that. He's freaking badass for doing all that stuff. But yeah, he pretty much has half the car torn out. I mean, she almost looks like she's ready to come out, honestly. A couple bolts and she's right out. Alright, but yeah, this is our little, remember that? The little sandblaster. We're going to go ahead and use it again. Go ahead and get her done. Make sure we don't get anything in there. Sandblasting is super annoying, but I'm gonna go ahead and sandblast that stuff and I'll be back when all that stuff's done. Alright, so we are back in the shop. So here are what they look like. They still got a little bit of rust, but I mean we're just gonna run with it. The sandblaster was not having it with all the rust, especially this rear ones. But I mean they're good enough. I have powder coated over rustier things, so we should be good. I'm not a professional whatsoever, and this is just as a favor. I let my buddy know already, and he said it should be fine. So just a powder coat over this. Hopefully they come out good. I'm hoping they come out good because that'd be pretty freaking sick. It's kind of weird having these because all you're really gonna see in the brake is this little rear part. Obviously you'll see these, but yeah. Anyways, all we have to really do is we're gonna go ahead and I think the way I'm gonna do it is that I'm gonna see if I can do it one caliper at a time that's fully assembled. So like this. So I'm gonna fully assemble one caliper and then do that caliper and then fully assemble one caliper and obviously do that and then do both of these separate. So the way I'm gonna do that is I need to mask off these two pieces right here and right here where the actual piston goes, and then I believe there's some spots that need to be capped off like here, and where's the other hole, like this hole right here. We might just keep that in there just to keep it like that, because that's gonna eventually come off this bolt wheel. With just one here, and then that's pretty much it. There's a couple holes inside, but those will be capped off anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, let's go ahead and prep these, ready to go, and then shoot them, and let's see how they go. Sheesh. Look at that. So Tony actually tried to scrape off the Nissan sign and it kind of scratched up a little bit, but I mean, it's not too bad. So the only thing that I have a problem with right here is, so if you can see this, how smooth it is right here. I think what I did was I just, obviously this one was probably prepped a little better, and I put a lot more in here, like just a lot more, and then this one is a lot more rough, if you can tell the differences. Definitely not the cleanest thing, but they look freaking badass, like all of these. Look at that. They took a lot of time, probably like 5 or 6, no, probably 7 hours to do this whole thing. But I mean, look at this. For brakes that were really nasty, like you guys saw in the first, oh god, at the beginning of the video, these are amazing. I am super proud of myself for being able to take brakes that were super crusty and nasty and be able to have them pretty much 100%ed. They look amazing. Things that I would have changed probably is I would definitely clean them a little more thoroughly than I did, and also I would definitely go over it with clear coat, since they are brakes. Obviously, with brakes, they're probably going to get scratched up. I would probably go over it with some clear coat, but that's just in the future, just so I know that. Obviously, I'm super new at powder coating, but this is definitely one of my best works that I've so far done, except for that illusion purple. That shit is gangster. But yeah, so these came out good. I give myself an 8.5 out of 10, honestly, for what I have. Considering I'm not a professional, but I mean, sheesh. Gangster. They're freaking amazing. Anyways, thank you guys a lot for watching my video. I appreciate you. If you are new to this channel, my name's Conrad. I make a bunch of carb stuff. I'm learning, so I'm learning with you guys if you guys aren't already professionals. But I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please consider liking and subscribing. And for the rest of you guys that have been OGs, appreciate you guys coming back. You guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.